we recording? Yeah, we are.
Okay. So we're on day seven. We're recording seven, so we're not exactly on day seven, but yeah, this is a new day. It's right now Tuesday, 10th of December, and yeah, things are going okay. They're going all right, but they can be better. So whatever I did yesterday, was not impressive. I didn't do much. Uh, I just went through the day, and the day just went by. And yeah, so I've decided that since I'm going to document this journey, I might as well do something interesting with it. So if I'm going to document this to the public, I should be completely like honest and completely accountable to what I'm doing and my actions and everything. So let's try to uh, challenge what I'm doing and everything, and try to see where that goes. So I'm gonna try and challenge myself and try to do what I can do. So right now there's around like 21 days, and then it's 2025. So by the end of this year, I need to make sure that I do something pretty impressive. And I've already done a couple of things that are pretty impressive this year, but I'm not done, and I want to see if I can do something more with this year. And so we're gonna try like a semi long-term challenge, and uh, so I've written down like the points which I need to follow for this challenge and everything, and it's about spending hours on a particular skill set. So I'm focusing on three things mainly. So one is my running, which is I need to keep up with like the 50 kilometer threshold per week. So there's around like 3 weeks left, and I need to make sure that I finish up with 150 kilometers by the end of those 3 weeks. So right now we're in sprint one, and I need to cover about 50 kilometers. So that's there. So then there's sprint two and sprint three. So total of 150 kilometers. So that's what I'm gonna try doing. And then we have the second skill, which is uh, coding. So I'm gonna try solving about like 28 TSA problems. So like four a day for this sprint. So if I can continue doing that and finish that successfully during this sprint, and that's a pretty good thing. So if I can do that for three sprints, that's really good. So this is gonna be a hell of a week, and yeah, that's gonna be really hard, and I'm gonna try doing it the best I can. So yeah, that is the second skill point. And with the coding and everything, I'm gonna try to continue my learning and try to make sure that I keep track of it and everything. So third skill, boxing. Uh, so regarding this, I'm gonna try to attend like I don't know 5 6 classes. So I'm gonna make sure that I bust out like 5 hours every day on the boxing front. So every evening I'm just gonna try to attend class and everything, and I'm gonna make sure that I keep myself accountable with that. So I've missed the entirety of last week, so which is not a good thing. And last week is fine, but right now I need to make sure that I keep track of that, and I put pressure on myself to make sure that I improve in my combat front and everything. So I'm gonna make sure I continue doing that. So yeah, just attend like 6 classes this week. So that is what I'm gonna try to do. And those are the three skills which I'm going to try and improve. So while doing that, I'm going to try to like start up another challenge, which is like a dopamine detox. So the rules for this, no more short form content. So I'm not going to consume any more reels. So the moment you consume any reels, like you need to put like a tick mark in your diary and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's gonna be hard. I usually consume a lot of short form content, and I've noticed that about myself, and I'm going to try to make sure that I know how much videos I'm consuming every time. So like this is regarding like shorts and YouTube, and then the reels, and whatever else is there. So I'm gonna make sure that I completely cut that out of my life during these next 21 days. So 21 is a magic number for habit building and everything. So I'm gonna make sure that I do that. And yeah, I'm gonna document all of this. So by the end of this, I'm either gonna be extremely depressed or I'm gonna be like, I don't know, a different human being. So I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna take this as another marathon and I'm gonna make sure that I'm completely committed to this. So let's see if I change as a human being and I exist in a different consciousness, a level of consciousness changes and everything. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty interesting journey for me. So I'm just an average person, so I don't know anything. So I'm just an average human being. But trying to attempt to challenge myself is going to be interesting. So I'm bored. I'm doing this because I want to. And yeah, this is to me this is fun. So challenging myself is like a kind of hobby which I have and I'm going to try to do that. I'm like 25, so yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. And I'm gonna have like that soldier mindset and everything. So highly motivated, but I've always been motivated. That's my thing. So I'm gonna make sure that I complete this and I'll make sure that this is documented. And yeah, confidence is key. So try to do that. And yeah, I'll I'll catch you guys on the other side of this. So if you guys want to follow on with this journey and you want to document your own thing, so like you can have your own channel and you can document whatever you want to document, it'll keep you accountable. So this is a good thing. Just put stuff out there and make sure that you tell people, hey, I'm gonna do this. And then if you actually end up doing it, then that's good. So talk your shit and then actually back it up. And yeah, that's really good. So try doing that, post the shit online, it's fine. And it's YouTube, it gets like barely any views, it's fine. So you can do this for your own journey and that would be really good. So 21 days right before 2025. So let's see how this goes. And yep, peace out. Oh, and like if you want other people to see this video and see this type of content and everything. But actually, yeah, sure, do that, do that. So let them join us in this journey and everything. And yeah, this will be pretty good. So peace out. Hopefully, I see you guys on the other side. And day day one out of 21. So let's see how this goes.